Good morning, dear student. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher in Shivraj Singh Children Academy. In a previous lecture, we have solved the exercise 9.3, question number 1, question number 3, question number 6, question number 9, and question number 13. Today we are going to discuss about remaining question of exercise 9.3. We will continue. Before discussing the question, we recall the some formula related to the geometric progression AR square, so on. This is the geometric progression. The general term of the geometric progression is represented as an equal to a r to the power n minus 1, and the sum of the first n term of geometric progression is the a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, or Sn equal a 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. This formula is used to solve the exercise 9.3, where a is the first term of the GP and r is the common ratio of the GP. Now we solve the question number 16 of NCERT exercise 9.3. Question number 16. Find a GP for which sum of first two terms minus 4 and fifth term is 4 times of third term. Here in this question, student, we find the GP. Here given the two condition. First condition is the sum of the first two terms is the minus 4, and fifth term, first condition is the sum of first two term is the minus 4, and second condition is the fifth term of GP is the fourth time of the third terms. That means here two condition is the given that, and we wish to find GP. For this we consider a GP solution. Let AR square, AR cube, so on. GP, where A is the first term of GP, and R is common ratio. Here first term and second term, the sum of the first term and second term is the minus 4. According to question A1 plus A2 equal to minus 4. First condition A1 plus A2, that means first term of the GP and second term of the GP is the minus 4. First term of the GP is the A and second term of the GP is the AR is equal to minus 4. That means this is represented by 1. And next condition is the fifth term of GP is equal to 4 times third term of GP. This is the second condition according to question given that fifth term of the GP is the 4 times third term of the GP. Here A5, using this formula an equal to a r to the power n minus 1, we find the A5 is a r to the power 4 is equal to 4 AR square. Here value of the A3 equal to, that means the third term of the GP is AR square. This implies that A will be cancelled, and r to the power 4 equal to 4, sorry, third term. Here r to the power 4 equal to 4r square, since a does not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, then you cannot cancel both sides. Here r to the power 4 is written as r square equal to 4 r square is a cancel. Here r does not equal to 0. If r is the 0, then this not be cancelled on the both side r square. This implies that r square equal to 4. This implies that r equal to plus minus 2. R square equal to 4, then r equal to plus minus 2. Here r is minus 4 equal to 0. R square minus 2 square equal to 0. R minus a square minus b square equal to r minus 2 into r plus 2. Two numbers multiply, two numbers is the 0, then one is the 0 and other is the 0. If this is r minus 2 is the 0, then the value of r equal to 2. If r plus 2 equal to 0, then the value of r equal to minus 2. Then this gives the value of r equal to plus minus 2. Here value of r equal to plus minus 2. First let r equal to 2. Then if r equal to 2, then find the value of a. R equal to 2, put in 1. Put in 1, we find the value of a. From 1, a plus 2r. Value of r equal to 2. Then this is the 2a is equal minus 4. That means 3a equal to minus 4. A equal to minus 4 by 3. Here first term is the minus 4 by 3 and r is the 2. Then we make GP ar square, sorry ar square, so on. So then our GP is the a, that means ar square, so on. This implies value of a equal to minus 4 by 3 and multiply by r. In minus 4 by 3 we find the value of ar. This gives multiply by 2 minus 8 by 3 and again multiply by r. In a second term we find the third term, minus 16 by 3 and again minus 32 by 3, again minus 64 by 3, again so on. This is the first GP when we take the r equal to 2. Again let r equal minus 2, then value of a, r equal to minus 2, put in first a plus a, value of r equal to minus 2 equal to minus 4. That means a minus 2a equal to minus 4 and minus a equal to minus 4, a equal to 4. Here value of a equal 4 and value of r equal to minus 2. Then we can easily find the ar square, that means our GP. ar square, so on. Here value of a equal to 4 and we multiply by r. In a first term we find the second term, that means value of r equal to minus 2. So this gives value minus 8 and again multiply minus 2 by minus 8 and find the value of third term, that means 16 and minus so on, minus 32 and 64, so on. First answer is the minus 4 by 3, minus 8 by 3, minus 16 by 3, minus 32 by 3, minus 64 by 3, so on. First GP is this and second GP is this. Our answer will be correct or incorrect. We check this. First GP is the satisfied the given two condition. First condition is the sum of first two terms is the minus 4. Find the sum of this, and minus 4 by 3 and minus 8 by 3. Check your answer will be correct or wrong. Minus 4 by 3 minus 8 by 3, this gives minus 12 by 3, this equal to minus 4. This is the right. First condition is satisfied. And second condition is the fifth term, once first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth term of the GP minus 64 is the fourth time of the third term. Fourth time of the third term is equal to minus 64 by 3. Both are equal. Then first GP is satisfied the both condition. Also check second GP, sum of the two term, sum of the 4 and 8, minus 8. This gives the value of minus 4. First condition is satisfied, and second condition is the fifth term of the GP. Fifth term of the GP is the 64, is the fourth time of the third term of the GP, and fourth time of the 16 is the 64. Hence our answer is the correct. Now we discuss the question number 17. If question number 16, if fourth, 10th, if fourth, 10th, 16th term of GP are X, Y and Z respectively, then prove that X, Y, Z is a GP. If the 4th, 10th and 16th terms of GP are X, Y and Z respectively, that means 4th term of the GP is the X and 10th term of the GP is the Y and 16th term of the GP is the Z, then prove that X, Y, Z are in GP. Our question is, if 4th, 10th and 16th term of the GP are X, Y, Z respectively, then prove that X, Y, Z are in GP. Solution. Our target is the X, Y, Z is in GP. X, Y, Z is in GP. If X, Y, Z are in a GP, then find what condition find. What condition will be find? X, Y, Z are GP, then Y upon X equal to Z upon Y, that means this is a common ratio, and this also z upon y is the common ratio. Both are equal because x, y, z are in GP. This implies that cross multiply y square equal to x z. If we find the condition y square equal to x z, then we can say that x, y, z are in GP. Our target is the find to the relation between x, y, z is the y square equal to x into z. Y square equal to x into z. If we find this relation, then we can easily say that x, y, z are in GP. According to question given that fourth term of GP is x. Fourth term of GP is x, and 10th term of GP is y, and 16th term of GP is z. We consider a GP, that means let AR square so on is a GP, where A is the first term of the GP, where A is the first term of the GP, A is first term of GP, and R is the common ratio of GP. Here according to question given that fourth term of the GP is the x, 10th term of the GP is the y, and 16th term of the GP is the z. That means this implies that fourth term of the GP using the general term of the GP is the an equal to AR to the power n minus 1. That means fourth term of the GP is the AR to the power 3 equal to x, and similar way AR to the power 9 is equal to y, and AR to the power 15 equal to z. Understand student? This is the fourth term of the GP, and this is AR to the power 9 is the 10th term of the GP, and AR to the power 5 is the 16th term of the GP. Because we consider the GP which first term is the A and the common ratio is the R. Find the relationship between x, y and z. Now this is denoted by 1, and this is denoted by 2, and this is denoted by 3. First we divide second by first. That means we divide second by first, we get, that means AR to the power 9 upon AR to the power 3 equal to x upon y, y upon x. This implies that A will be cancelled, R to the power 9 upon R to the power 3 equal to y upon x. This gives R to the power 6 upon y upon x. These are denoted by A, capital A. Again we divide third by second, we get, we divide third by second, we get A r to the power 15 upon ar to the power 9 is equal to z by y. This implies that a will be cancelled, r to the power 6 is equal to z upon y. This is denoted by b. We observed a and b. Here left hand side is the r to the power 6 and here in a b left hand side is the r to the power b. That means both are equal. From a and b we get y upon x is equal to z upon y. This implies that y square equal to xz. Y square equal to xz. We can find the relation between x and y, x, y, z. Y square is equal to x into z. Hence, we can say that x, y, z in R in GP. Hence proved. Our question is the complete. We will discuss second question number 27. Question number, what is the question? Question number 27. Find the value of n. Question number 27. Find the value of n so that a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power n may be geometric mean between a and b. Geometric mean between a and b. Here question is this: find the value of n so that a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power n may be geometric mean between a and b. That means if we take the two numbers a and b, then what is the geometric mean? This. According to question given that this is the geometric mean between a and b. Student, we have learned about the geometric mean. What is the geometric mean between two positive numbers a and b is geometric mean between two positive number a and b is gm equal to square root a b. We use this formula. Here according solution, given that gm, that means geometric mean between a and b is a to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power n. That means we know that geometric mean between a and two positive numbers a and b is square root ab, then we can written as this is equal to square root ab. Understand, student? Now we solve this equation and find the value of n. Our target is find the value of n. This implies that squaring both sides, because we remove the square root. Why? We are squaring both sides because remove the square root of squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. A to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power n plus b to the power 1 whole square is equal to ab. This implies that square of a plus b whole square equal to a square 2ab plus b square. What is the formula of a square plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square? Using this formula and find the value of this. Here a to the power n plus 2 plus 2a to the power n plus 1 into b to the power n plus 1 plus squaring of the b to the power 2n plus 2 upon square of the square of a to the power n plus b to the power n, a to the power 2n plus 2 into a to the power n b to the power n plus b to the power 2n equal to ab. Cross multiplication, a to the power 2n plus 2 plus 2a to the power n plus 1 into b to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power 2n plus 2 is equal to, here multiply by ab, each term a and ab multiply a to the power 2n, that means a to the power 2n plus 1 into b plus here multiply 2 into a to the power n and a to the power n plus 1 and b to the power n plus 1 plus b to the power sorry a b to the power 2n plus 1 2n plus 1. This implies that a to the power 2n plus 2 side change minus a to the power 2n plus 1 into b, and this will be cancelled. Here 2a to the power n plus 1 b to the power n plus 1 is equal to 2a to the power n plus 1 b to the power n plus 1, both are same, then both are cancelled, and side change and b here side change, this equal to a b to the power 2n plus 1 minus a 2n plus 1. This implies that we take the common a to the power 2n plus 1, a to the power 2n plus 1 a minus b. Here we take the common, sorry, this is the b to the power 2n plus 2. Here this will be cancelled to the, and side change, this is the side change of left hand side and this side change is the right hand side, the value of this, and here we take the common b to the power 2n plus 1. This gives the value a minus b. A minus b both side, this this is a cancel. And we find the value of a to the power n plus 1 is equal to b to the power 2n plus 1. A minus b and a minus b will be cancelled when a does not equal to b. When a does not equal to b. If a equal to b, then this gives the value 0 and this gives the value 0. We cannot cancel at both sides. This implies that a to the power 2n plus 1 upon b to the power 2n plus 1 is equal to 1. This implies that a upon b to the power 2n plus 1 is equal to 1 is the also written as a by b to the power 0. Comparing both sides and find the value of 2n plus 1 is equal to 0. That means this implies that 2n equal to minus 1. This implies that n equal to minus 1 by 2. Here value of n equal to minus 1 by 2. Your answer is the n equal to minus 1 by 2. Understand, student? Question number 27. Thank you. In our next lecture, we will discuss about remaining question of exercise 9.3. If you feel any difficulties, otherwise you solve yourself remaining question of exercise. Thank you, student.